guys, this is Bridget, aka Me Pocahontas. What it do, what it do. So today's video, I think this is gonna be the last time I'm doing this. I'm dyeing my hair. I'm using the Creme of Nature Ginger Blonde. It's the 10.1. It was an exotic shine. Yeah, got that today. And Brittany is back here. She's gonna help me do the back. So Brittany used this on her skunk patch, and I was like, ooh, I might need to use this. So yeah, I want like a chestnut / honey brown. So something. My hair, the last time I dyed it was in November, so it was like a reddish brown. So now it looks like in the ring light it looks brown, but in person it looks red. So if it's like somewhere around there, then I'm cool with it. If it comes out a funky color, then I'm gonna use, Brittany got like a Adore hair color. It's French cognac, I think.
Our birthday one. Sorry.
So yeah, I'm like excited. I'm holding on to this because it was like exploding. Like it kept coming out. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that. so I gotta wait 30 minutes for my hair to dye, but it's already starting to lift, so I'm like excited. I just needed this to lighten my hair, and I kept dyeing it thinking it's gonna lift, and it's not gonna lift. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I guess y'all see another clip of me with my hair like a different color. I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. So I already did a wash and go, and that video will be up next. So if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. FYI, I'm about to like go back to the bathroom and blow dry this some more because it's like, I guess 85% dry. I want it 100% dry, like fully dry. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.